Best electric wheelchairs. As mobility needs grow across all age groups, the demand for the best electric wheelchairs continues to rise. Shoppers today look for models that combine durability, comfort, portability, and intuitive control. This guide evaluates wheelchairs and mobility scooters based on their type, build quality, ease of operation, layout, and overall value. Whether you're upgrading an existing mobility aid or buying one for the first time, these top picks deliver reliable performance and long-term comfort.
Product number 1. Drive Medical Blue Streak Lightweight Wheelchair. The Drive Medical Blue Streak Lightweight Wheelchair is an industry favorite for users seeking dependable mobility without the need for a fully electric system. While technically a manual wheelchair, its lightweight frame, smooth rolling action, and comfortable padding make it an excellent choice for those who need easy maneuvering and reliable daily support. The Blue Streak's steel frame offers impressive durability, yet the chair remains light enough for simple transport and storage. The flip-back armrests are especially useful for transfers in and out of the chair, while the swing-away footrests accommodate users of varying heights. Its precision-sealed bearings promote smooth operation indoors and outdoors, making it versatile for different environments. Ideal for individuals who prioritize simplicity and mobility independence, this wheelchair delivers excellent value and long-term comfort. Product number 2. Vive 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter, Electric-Powered Wheelchair. The Vive 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter combines the stability of a scooter with the comfort of a seated electric wheelchair, making it a popular choice among seniors and adults with mobility limitations. With 4 wheels, it provides superior balance compared to 3-wheel models and offers a smooth, consistent ride across indoor floors and outdoor sidewalks. Its intuitive tiller control makes steering effortless, even for beginners. Riders will appreciate the padded seat, adjustable armrests, and generous legroom, all of which contribute to all-day comfort. The scooter disassembles into smaller pieces for easy transportation in most vehicle trunks, enhancing its portability. Its battery life supports long outings, errands, and visits without constantly recharging. For those who need a reliable, stable, and user-friendly electric mobility solution, the Vive 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter stands out for both convenience and comfort.
Product number 3. Just Hero Electric Wheelchairs. The Just Hero electric wheelchair is engineered for users who want a balance of power, convenience, and comfort. Designed with a strong yet lightweight aluminum frame, it offers reliable long-distance performance without feeling bulky or difficult to fold. The chair features responsive joystick controls that allow smooth operation in tight spaces, making it ideal for indoor navigation. Outdoors, the tires provide superior traction on uneven terrain, giving users the confidence to travel beyond smooth pavements. The cushioning on the seat and backrest delivers extended comfort even during long outings. Additionally, its quick-folding design means it can easily fit into a car trunk, making it highly portable for travel or appointments. Its long-lasting battery life ensures dependable mobility throughout the day. Overall, the Just Hero electric wheelchair excels in build quality and ease of use, making it a dependable choice for everyday mobility.
Product number 4. Becki Electric Wheelchair for Seniors. The Becki Electric Wheelchair for Seniors focuses on providing a safe, supportive, and comfortable experience tailored to older users. Built with a sturdy frame and strong motor system, it offers reliable performance on a variety of surfaces, allowing seniors to confidently navigate both indoors and outdoors. Its joystick interface is straightforward and ideal for users with limited hand strength or coordination. The cushioned seat, adjustable armrests, and supportive backrest ensure a comfortable sitting experience even during extended use. The wheelchair's foldable structure makes it easy to transport, while the battery capacity supports long-term travel without frequent charging. Safety features such as anti-tip wheels, responsive braking, and stable traction provide peace of mind for users and caregivers alike. The Becki electric wheelchair delivers exceptional value for seniors seeking independence, reliability, and all-day comfort.
Product number 5. Bitec Lightweight Electric Wheelchair. The Bitec Lightweight Electric Wheelchair stands out for its ultra-portable design and robust performance. Ideal for travelers and active users, it features a compact, foldable frame that can be stored in a car trunk or carried during trips. Despite its lightweight build, the chair offers impressive durability and motor strength, allowing it to handle slopes and uneven surfaces with ease. The joystick controller is intuitive and positioned for comfortable one-hand use, making navigation simple in tight indoor spaces and crowded areas. Comfort is enhanced by breathable cushioning and ergonomic armrests designed for prolonged sitting. The battery system provides extended range, supporting full-day activities without interruptions. Whether used for errands, traveling, or daily routines, the Bitec wheelchair combines portability with performance, making it one of the best lightweight electric options on the market.